Today I'm making a classic creamy macaroni salad that's perfect for cookouts, backyard barbecues, or any kind of gathering this summer. It's simple, delicious, and it comes together with just a few ingredients. So let's get started. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil. When the water is boiling, I'm going to add 8 ounces of macaroni, and I'm going to cook this according to the package directions until it's about al dente. Once the pasta is cooked, I'm going to drain it, and then I'm just going to rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process, and it also cools it down pretty quickly. I'm going to set it aside while I prepare the rest of the ingredients. Now while the pasta cools, I am going to finely dice a red onion, and I'm also going to finely shred about half of a carrot. The vegetables are going to add color, texture, and just about the right amount of crunch to the salad. You can also use diced celery as well. Next, I'm going to set that to the side, and then I am going to get started on making the dressing. For the dressing, you're going to need mayo, a little bit of yellow mustard. I am going to use relish. I'm using dill relish, which gives it a lot of flavor, but you can also use sweet relish. Add a splash of vinegar. You can use wine vinegar, or I am using red wine vinegar. I'm also going to add a little bit of celery salt, kosher salt, and sugar. Now whisk it all together until the dressing is smooth and creamy. The combination of the mayo with the tangy vinegar and the relish creates such a creamy, tangy, and perfectly balanced dressing. You also need that sugar in there, so don't leave it out. It all just comes together really well. You're going to add your macaroni salad to a large bowl. Then you're going to add in the diced red onions and your shredded carrots. Pour in that dressing that we just made and just stir everything together just until everything is nicely coated. Now you can give it a taste at this point to see if anything else is needed, like salt or any additional seasoning. You can serve this right away, but for the best flavor, cover it and refrigerate it for at least 3 to 4 hours before serving. And that's it, you guys. A creamy, easy macaroni salad that I promise you're gonna love. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment letting me know if you have tried this recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.